Hey Asher,
Yeah.
why do you hike?
To connect the spirit within. To find God in nature. Why do you hike?
What he said. Good morning. It's time. The Pacific Crest Trail. I'm packing up my backpack one last time, going through the full list. If you want to see me packing the backpackers, I have a full half-hour video of expensively packing that backpack, packing this backpack. I'll have it in a link in the description. All packed up. This is everything I have.
Do a 180, babe. Or 360? Yeah, there we go.
In case you don't know what I'm doing, I'll show you right now. Hello and welcome to the newest TP video. This video will be the first vlog of my time with my brother on the Pacific Crest Trail. The Pacific Crest Trail, or PCT for short, is a trail similar to the more known Appalachian Trail on the East Coast. Only this one is on the West Coast, traveling all the way from the US-Mexican border to the border in Canada. My brother, Asher, who just graduated high school in May, decided that just a week after his ceremony, he would fly out to California to begin the hike. Hearing this and finding a time gap between getting jobs, I decided I'd join him for 2 weeks. 2 weeks ended up being 3, and the whole thing was so much harder than I'd imagined it to be. But it was epic, perspective shifting, and all-out adventure. I filmed it and I'm glad to get to share it with you now. We'll start the journey with me finding Asher, taking plane, train, and automobile to track him down in Big Bear, California, and discovering how unprepared I was.
Spend my days with a woman unkind, smoke my stuff and drink all my wine. Made up my mind, make a new start, going to California with an aching in my heart. Someone told me there's a girl out there with love in her eyes and flowers in her hair.
Thanks. That's good, yo. We found him.
You look like you've been through some stuff.
You too.
My food set up. Okay.
Smells like PCT in here.
Well, you missed when I had all my tent and my sleeping bag laid out. These are the things I still need to get at the store.
So break it down.
Okay. Let me go through as soon as I
How'd
got
you get here? How's it been?
Oh,
How's the thing?
it's good.
I'm way too tired to do this.
I've been walking, and then I've been hitchhiking, and then I've been walking,
And then you
That's
didn't
pretty
eat,
much
so you
it.
got skinnier.
and then I what?
Then you didn't eat,
Yeah,
so you got skinnier.
I had a Pop-Tart for breakfast, Pop-Tart for lunch, and 1 packet of ramen for dinner for like 4 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here now. I'm here. He was here. I'm here now. As you saw, I took a plane. From the plane, I got a lift to a hotel where I stayed the night. And then I woke up and got picked up by a van that took me to a rail station, and a train brought me to San Bernardino. And from there, I took a lift up to here at Big Bear. And then I took 2 buses to get here to this hotel. Just talked to Asher about gear. Here's some of my food. We're about to go and get more. What are we doing? What are we all getting? What's all there?
Mail some stuff. Want to get
Wait, say it again. They can hear you.
mail some stuff. Tent steak. I lost one. Need to get one of those. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store. It's great. It's one-stop
He
shop.
lived in Jersey before the ATM. My folks were based in.
Was there anything specific you guys were looking for?
Tent steaks.
Tent steak.
Just him.
Okay, we went to the outdoor store for Asher's steaks. Camp steaks. And now we're gonna find a bus to go to the grocery store to get groceries. But we ran into 2 little girls that were selling lemonade, and they said it was 25 cents for this. And I gave them a 10, and I said, do they have change? They said yes, and then they gave me $1 back. But you know, they said it was made with love.
Got them. $9 for like, 4 ounces. It's pretty good. Made with love,
Got a whole bunch of groceries. The first stretch is 8 days until we can resupply. So we're gonna pack 8 days worth of food in our packs each. I'm a little bit worried about it because my pack seems super heavy, and I just started.
I'm excited for a burrito.
And we got burritos, yo, for right now.
Straight up. Straight up. Burrito.
After a long, hard day, taking buses, trains, and automobiles, it's nice to kick back, have yourself a free ice cream. How's your day? Let me know in the comments how your day's going. I'll respond to it. See, this guy gets it. Today we're eating this ice cream. Tomorrow,
I'm done.
you know, when I joined Asher for the PCT, I always knew it would be this hard.
Waiting 3 days in a nice hotel is like really hard for me. Resting and like taking showers every day is pretty tough.
Tomorrow it begins. I don't know if there's a video out with me and Sophia traveling, but if there is, it'll be linked in the description. If not, that's what I did the week before this. I've been traveling in the Southwest. I worked for 2 days. I did all the traveling to get here. Now it actually begins tomorrow. we'll see what it's like. Yeah, it's all been fun and games till tomorrow. Then it begins. I'm excited. I'm gonna have one of the heaviest packs of anyone on the trail. See how many miles I could do. Yup. It's gonna be tough. Okay, going to bed. A lot of thoughts going through my head right now. I think I'm just starting to realize what I've gotten myself into. I've been asked if I'm ready. And I really haven't thought about it. But but I have my pack. It's gonna be really heavy. That's definitely a thought. That's one of the thoughts. So I don't know if I'm ready, but I'm gonna do it. And then I'll get ready when I'm doing it, I guess. But yeah, I've been preparing for this trip for probably a month now. And I don't know. I've been really busy. My life's been really busy before this, so I really haven't had. I've been thinking about it externally, like getting stuff. I need this. But I haven't thought about like I'm actually gonna do it. But now it's time for sleep, and then in the morning it begins. Whatever happens, I will film it, and I'm gonna try to do as many miles as I can every day that I'm here. So, good night. See you tomorrow. Next up on the Pacific Crest Trail. I'm pretty much packed up. This is 8 days of food.
Do the side by side.
This is not good.
That's insane.
Here I am with the pack. It's feeling pretty bad already, to be honest. Has been a test of Asher's patience. We made it to the trail. I'm going by tank because my pack is too full. What are we doing?
We're eating carrots.
I'm hiking. It hurts a lot. This pack is so heavy. Day one. My shoulders feel like rocks, and my feet have holes in them.
Your feet have holes in